All right, a quick update on Goldfinch here. So GFI is looking good here. If we go down to the smaller time frames, the 3 day, the daily, you can see how the higher low scenario is holding up here. So we can draw here on the daily chart going from the low here to the high on GFI, and you can see from the low to the high we're holding the 382 support at 371. So as long as you're above 371, you're short-term bullish here. You're currently at 389. So just keep that in mind. Any lower than that, you could potentially even come down to 325 here to this 618 and still be bullish for a move back up if you get a 618 retracement here on the smaller one, and that would still keep intact the higher low double bottom with a higher low bullish scenario here. So that's what you want to see here. So just remember those prices there. But ultimately, looking and focusing on the weekly chart where we've been watching this thing, you can see the last time we were in a very bullish falling wedge pattern here, we had a nice move up. We are once again in a bull flag pattern here. And at the moment, like we just pointed out, we're still making the higher low here. So it may start moving at some point very soon. Just watch those prices. We have the nice volume come in, the volume going down. That's exactly what we want to see in this pattern here. Stock R size not quite at the bottom, but it is going down and sideways here. So we'll see what happens here. Right now, the momentum is doing nothing. It's just sitting here. But just keep an eye on those support levels. Now, going from where we are today on GFI, once we break out of this pattern here, we're probably going to have a huge spike up, probably to the high, I would imagine. But we'll see. We do have the 786 here to contend with, so to keep it technical here, you can see that if you spike out of here, 625 is going to be a good target to watch at a 60% move, and then back to the high here for a 300% move on Goldfinch here. Now, as for how high this thing is going to go, we do have a target above that previous high, which that previous high is according to the Gate IO chart here on Goldfinch, all the way back in January of 2022 there. But we do have that 1272, a $51 to $52 price range, and about a 12x from today. So what do you guys think about Goldfinch, GFI here? Do you think that is conservative, or do you think that's too high? You also have to realize that this thing is already up from the bottom. So say you bought back in October of last year before it started to run up here. You can see that if it's going to hit the 1272, you're getting, if you're still holding on to your bag from back there, you're getting about 130x on your investment here. So that is huge for Goldfinch. And if it matters, from the last time I looked at the circulating supply, that would give you about a $1.4 billion market cap up to that price tag here for Goldfinch. So with that said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.